Add a location on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video on 1-2 step. If you also want to add in location any snap that you send, let me quickly show you the process of it. Now before you add in the location to your snaps, make sure you turn on the location on your phone. Make sure you toggle this on, and now you can open up your Snapchat. Take any snap that you want, and on the right hand side you'll see a stickers option. Tap on this option, and here you'll have an option of location. Tap on the location option, and you can search for the exact location that you're in, or you can also choose from various other location that you're not in right now. Select your location and the location will be added. And now when you send this snap or add it to your story, this location will be visible to other people. So that's the quick way of adding in location to your snap. It was a real quick and easy video. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If it did, be sure to subscribe and also give this video a like. If you want more videos similar to this, make sure to turn on the notifications of our channel. That's all for today. I'll see you in the next one.